It's a bright summer afternoon in Olbia. The sun reflects on a pastel-colored building and a warm breeze carries the scent of the sea through the streets. The city feels alive, yet relaxed, a perfect balance of energy and calm. Shops, cafe and ice cream shops line the street, inviting passers-by to pause for a coffee or a scoop of ice cream. Local strolls at an easy pace. The rhythm here is Mediterranean, slow, warm and full of charm. We begin along Corso Umberto, the main street of the town. And in the side street you'll find also very nice place like this. The main street starts from basically to the sea and go up. We reach the Church of San Paolo, with its distinctive colorful tiled dome. It rises quite above the rooftop, a symbol of Olbia history and faith, a reminder of the century of stories that unfolded with these walls. The square around it offers a moment of calm, where time seems to slow down. Not far away, the marketplace brings us back into the lively pulse of the city. As the afternoon light softens, the streets take a golden glow. Walking through Olbia becomes more than just a visit. It feels like an experience, a mosaic of color, sounds and flavor. A city that welcomes you to explore, but also invites you to simply slow down and enjoy the rhythm of Sardinian summer. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe, because Cyrus Go will come back soon.